Hi, I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I'm excited today to share my brand new home that I'm sharing with you at 515 West End Avenue, apartment 12C. High in the sky, this northeast corner, when you walk in, you think, let there be light. Come into your home and experience this massive loft style 28 by 22 foot living room dining with a loft style open kitchen that has been curated to perfection. White, light, beam ceilings, through the wall air conditioning. It has it all. So once you've arrived in this home in 12C, you're defined by this foyer that's echoed with a lot of architectural detail. The bordered floor, herringbone, but I love that you can sneak into the mudroom with a double stroller, even when your baby's asleep. For those who love to entertain, this particular owner took the kitchen from the back of the house to the front of the house so that you have this giant open space and you don't miss anything when you're entertaining. One of my favorite spots is the primary bedroom that's tucked away in the corner where you can escape the insanity and enjoy the view and the light. One block from your home, you have access to this secret garden of Riverside Park, access to transportation hustle bustle of Broadway, and 2 blocks, Amsterdam today is coined as Mini Restaurant Row for us Upper West Sides. It's all here for you.